on, girls? How are you guys doing today? Welcome to my channel. So for this video, I have a cute little unit sent to me by Sensationnel. So of course this is a Sensationnel unit, and it's a DASHLY headband wig. I got her in the style HB unit 4. So it's like a long wavy unit. It's on the go style, so this is something that you're just supposed to pop on and go. I'm not really a headband person, so in my mind I was like, I have to be like a little señorita. It was giving me señorita vibes. The stock card shows you how to put her on. These are some of the colors. There's a special colors it comes with, and I guess it is safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. She is very long, as you guys can see. And then so it comes with a headband. It's a regular black headband. The Velcro straps, I really don't like the Velcro in it because the hair gets stuck on it, and then it leaves frizziness when you try to like unstick it. So I get it that it is helpful for it to be adjustable for different head shapes or sizes, but it's counterproductive how the hairs keep getting stuck on these little Velcro things. But it also comes with a drawstring, so you guys can like adjust it tighter or looser depending on your head size. The 3 comes in the front by the forehead, 2 by the ear, 1 right here in the middle, and then 1 in the back, of course. So yeah, you guys, this really doesn't have a lot of installing to her, besides maybe if you want to do some baby hairs in the front, which I'll be doing. If you're interested to see how I put her on and how she ends up looking for me, then go ahead and keep watching. I will leave the chapters of me installing her, and then the final chapter of my final thoughts, final looks, so you guys can go ahead and pick whichever one you guys are more interested in. So yeah, you guys, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new and interested on more wig videos, which is like my main thing, then go ahead and subscribe. Be a homie.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. Is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. I thought you would see me crying, would you? No, don't have to clarify my worth. I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. Is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do.
So you guys, this is my finished look for HB unit number 4. Again, shout out to Sensationnel for sending me this beautiful, cute unit. It's something that I probably would never pick up for myself, but I see what they're doing here. This is so cute. I made this headband out of a t-shirt because I was trying to match some of the little colors in my shirt, so I had to make it a thing. And then the only thing is, like, I don't know how to, I'm not like a professional headband wig wearer, so I don't know how to hide this back hump. Like, it's a big hump. So I had to figure out a way to make that flat back there so it could actually look cute and I could wear her out. But you know, that's me not being a professional at headband wigs again. So, but what do you guys think? She is definitely very long. So yeah, but it's definitely a look. It's so cute. Like I told you guys, it gave me señorita vibes. So I had to go ahead with the typical Mexican shirt and represent for my heritage, you know. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment box. And yeah, so like I said, a lot of colors. It is a little hard to put on, I think, in my opinion, if you're not like used to headband wigs. This is my first headband wig ever, and I still have to master it. So I kind of showed you guys. Maybe it's me and there's tricks that I don't know, but let me know in the description, in the comment box, if you have any tricks to flatten this back area. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your love. You guys are awesome. Have a good day.